Governor Kidero, accompanied by his two lawyers, wasted little time in thrashing the allegations leveled against him by Geoffrey Kiplagat, who claimed that the governor had paid Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi some $2 million.
Did you ever arrange or pay the amount alleged, or that has been alleged, of $2 million to Mr. Justice Tunoi?
That claim is absurd, preposterous.
Did you ever?
No, I didn't.
A smiling Kidero said there was no time during the election petition hearing in 2014 challenging his election that he needed assistance or favour in order to win the petition.
I had absolutely no reason to seek assistance from anybody because my case was clear and shut.
But despite Kidero's claims that he never knew his accuser, sworn affidavits by one of his assistants, John Osogo, and another by Michael Njeru, a member of the Orange Democratic Party, revealed otherwise.
That's what it says, that you asked for his CV to be handed to your secretary.
Sometimes
that would not be true then.
Sometimes there are standard answers that if anybody asks you for a job, say, take the CV to Public Service Board.
Yeah, but you're saying he never asked you.
I don't remember.
To get him a job.
I don't remember.
Kiprop Chirchir, who is said to have been involved in the actual exchange of the $2 million in cash from Kidero to Justice Tunoi, was also quizzed. Like Governor Kidero, Kiprop denied his involvement and said he last met Kiplagat around 2009.
In 2006 or 7, I used to work for KTN. And I was running what is called a side hustle on the side, an advertising company that part of my clients were CAS Media. And every time I went to CAS, not every time, but when I went to CAS, I would meet him from time to time.
Kiprop told the tribunal that on the date the bribe exchange is alleged to have taken place on the 27th August 2014, he was at home in Kilimani area in the county of Nairobi.
I got home at about 6 o'clock.
The gate where, Mr. Chirchir?
Where I stay in Kilimani at 18:03, and I never left until the following day. I also could confirm that at around 8:34, having taken dinner and waiting for news, as we all in this country do, I had taken what we call a selfie, which, if you know, on the iPhone, it records the time that you took and the date. And I have it here for you to check.
Earlier, Inspector Monica Githaiga, attached to the Department of Criminal Investigations, told the Commission that at no time Kidero, Justice Tunoi, Kiprop Chirchir, and even Kiplagat were at the Petro petrol station along Waiyaki Way, where the exchange of the bribe allegedly took place.
Did you capture any of them anywhere on Waiyaki Way?
There was no point on that 27th day of August 2014 between 19:00 hours and 21:00 hours were the above parties at Petro station along Waiyaki Way.
However, she told the tribunal, based on mobile phone records, that Kiplagat had sent text messages to Justice Tunoi at least 9 times, and Justice Tunoi had done vice versa only twice.
You do not know the contents of those messages. Is that the correct position?
I don't know the content of the SMSs.
Shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the whole truth.
Safaricom, on the other hand, says during mobile telephone interactions, either through voice or messages, no records of the conversation are stored except the date, time of call, and the expiry of the call. All SMSs are encrypted and cannot be read or retrieved by the network service provider.
I'm sorry, I can't speak about the particular incident, but we actually don't keep any messages. No.
From the mobile service provider, it would therefore be difficult to know the content of any communication between Kiplagat and Justice Tunoi or any other party involved in this case. The tribunal will tomorrow collect more evidence from Inspector Githaiga. Nimrod Taabu, NTV, Nairobi.